English to Greek. I had.
Είχα.
All forms. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun shortcut to Greek. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies. Today you'll master the Greek past tense of to have. Expect jokes, quick drills, and a mini mystery. Buckle up. Your goal today. By the end, you can say every form of had in Greek with confidence. Repeat after me and smile while you do it. I had.
Είχα.
You had, singular.
Είχες.
He had.
Είχε.
She had.
Είχε.
It had.
Είχε.
We had.
Είχαμε.
You had, plural.
Είχατε.
They had.
Είχαν.
Mini dialogue. The case of the missing keys. Play detective with me. Use the right, had, form to crack the case. A. Yesterday, I had the map.
Χθες είχα το χάρτη.
B. Wait, you had the keys. Singular you.
Περίμενε, είχες τα κλειδιά.
A. He had time to help.
Είχε χρόνο να βοηθήσει.
B. She had no idea.
Δεν είχε ιδέα.
A. The box? It had a blue tag.
Το κουτί είχε μια μπλε ετικέτα.
B. Relax, we had extra snacks.
Χαλάρωσε, είχαμε έξτρα snacks.
A. You had the charger, plural.
Εσείς είχατε το φορτιστή.
B. And they had the tickets.
Και είχαν τα εισιτήρια.
Call and response drills. I say it in English, you say it in Greek. Then I confirm. Ready? I had 2 tickets. Answer.
Είχα 2 εισιτήρια.
You had the keys, singular. Answer.
Είχες τα κλειδιά.
He had time. Answer.
Είχε χρόνο.
She had no idea. Answer.
Δεν είχε ιδέα.
It had a strange glow. Answer.
Είχε μια παράξενη λάμψη.
We had no choice. Answer.
Δεν είχαμε επιλογή.
You had the lead, plural. Answer.
Είχατε το προβάδισμα.
They had a plan. Answer.
Είχαν ένα σχέδιο.
Speed quiz. Quick reflexes. Say the Greek before I reveal it. Q. I had, go. A.
Είχα.
Q. You had, singular, go. A.
Είχες.
Q. We had, go. A.
Είχαμε.
Q. You had, plural, go. A.
Είχατε.
Q. They had, go. A.
Είχαν.
Culture tip. Real life Greek. Use these exactly how Greeks talk in daily life. Traffic excuse. I had traffic.
Είχα κίνηση.
At a taverna, we had great food.
Είχαμε υπέροχο φαγητό.
After a deadline, they had no time.
Δεν είχαν χρόνο.
Final challenge, 8-line story. Say this mini story out loud. You'll hit all 8 forms, nice. 1. I had a plan.
Είχα ένα σχέδιο.
2. You had the keys. Singular.
Είχε τα κλειδιά.
3. He had time.
Είχε χρόνο.
4. She had the idea.
Είχε την ιδέα.
5. It had a blue tag.
Είχε μια μπλε ετικέτα.
6. We had no choice.
Δεν είχαμε επιλογή.
7. You had the lead. Plural.
Είχατε το προβάδισμα.
8. They had the tickets.
Είχαν τα εισιτήρια.
Thanks and next steps. Nice work. You just leveled up your Greek past tense. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing. I had, you had, he, she, it had, we had, you, plural, had, they had, with.
Είχα, είχες, είχε, είχαμε, είχατε, είχαν.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, transcripts, and quizzes.